this is Katina, and in this video I am going to show you how to wash and disinfect your Clarinet mouthpiece. The first thing that I like to do when I clean my mouthpiece is go ahead and put a hand towel in the bottom of the sink. That way, if I were to drop my mouthpiece, it's going to fall on something nice and soft and it won't break. When I have the mouthpiece here, one of the first things I will do actually is I'll go around and I'll take that cork grease off, and I use the hand towel that I already have in the sink. Pay special attention to the ridges right in here. That gets a lot of cork grease in there, and then double check the inside of your mouthpiece. I clean my mouthpiece with a washcloth. I don't use a toothbrush. I don't use any kind of brushes. I know some clarinet maintenance kits sell a little brush in there. I don't even trust those bristles because I don't want to damage the inside of the mouthpiece. It's easy to do that. I also don't use really hot water. I use lukewarm water. You can use a number of things to clean your mouthpiece. I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. Some people use lemon juice or white vinegar. I just happen to have apple cider vinegar handy, and I'm going to use that one. Okay, so you're going to rub the mouthpiece with this washcloth. It's a very soft washcloth. Right here. You want to get all along the edges of the mouthpiece patch. If you're removing your mouthpiece patch and starting over with this one, you can rub it a little bit more firmly to get the adhesive off, but the washcloth will work for that. And then I rinse it with the warm water. To get inside the mouthpiece, you can use a paper towel, a soft handkerchief, or a very thin, soft cloth napkin. That will work as well. So you want to get in here and just sort of dig around in there a little bit. And this way here. And I will roll this paper towel to get it a little thinner so I can pull it all the way through. Pulling it back and forth through the mouthpiece also helps me get a lot of that gunk out of there. Whatever you do, you don't want to put anything hard in your mouthpiece. It will scratch it and damage it. I pull it in like this. And then one last rinse. And then I'll dry it off with the hand towel. And I'm all done. That's it. Comments, questions, post them below. And don't forget to hit the clarinet hand icon so that you don't miss any future videos and giveaways. Happy clarinetting.